Today's project is to replace a cracked heat exchanger in an old Lennox package unit. Shut off the gas supply and power to the unit. Clean all wires and components to the heat exchanger panel. Remove the cracked heat exchanger from the unit. You can clearly see 3 cracks here into the heat exchanger. Clean up the dust before installing the new heat exchanger. Heat exchanger installed, then reinstall the components and wires on the new heat exchanger panel. All done.